Most professionals feel pressure to be visible, to speak more, share more, explain more. Visibility feels like progress. It feels necessary. But visibility fades faster than people realize. Depth doesn't. This video is about why depth, skills, judgment, reliability systems always outlast visibility, and why quiet professionals are often better positioned long term. Even when growth feels slower at the start. Visibility creates feedback. People notice you, respond to you, acknowledge effort. That feedback loop feels productive, especially early. But visibility is fragile. It depends on attention, algorithms, energy, timing. Remove any one of those and momentum drops. Depth is harder to see. It lives in skills mastery, decision quality, pattern recognition, reliability under pressure. Depth doesn't announce itself. It shows up when problems become simpler around you. Others differ instinctively, outcomes stay consistent. Visibility is easy to measure, depth isn't. You can count posts, meetings, responses, activity, but depth compounds quietly. That's why many professionals overinvest in what's visible and underinvest in what actually scales. Introverted professionals often think longer before acting, reduce unnecessary output, focus on accuracy over speed. This naturally builds depth. It just doesn't produce immediate external validation. The trade-off: slower early recognition, stronger long-term positioning. Visibility requires maintenance. You have to stay relevant, stay present, stay responsive. That's exhausting over time. Depth, once built, reduces effort. Decisions become faster, problems repeat less. Trust increases automatically. Leverage appears when your judgment saves time. Your work removes friction, your presence stabilizes outcomes. That leverage doesn't depend on attention. It depends on consistency. Quiet professionals often feel behind. Others seems louder, faster, more visible. But quiet professional accumulate something different. Internal clarity, predictable output, transferable skills. That foundation doesn't disappear when trends shift. Depth compounds invisible. Nothing appears to change until it does. Suddenly, pricing resistance drops, opportunities increase, authority is assumed. To outsiders, it looks like overnight success. It isn't. Quiet growth isn't passive. You choose what to ignore, where to invest, when to speak. That selectivity protects energy and sharpens outcomes. Visibility fades when attention shifts, platforms change, energy drops. Depth survives those shifts. That's why careers built on depth last longer and require less reinvention. If you feel pressure to be more visible, pause before responding. Depth compounds even when no one is watching. Quiet growth isn't about being seen. It's about becoming difficult to replace.